Hello, everybody. Today we wanted to talk to you about eating healthy. A lot of people have kids that don't like green foods. Am I right, Connor? If that's you, or if you love eating healthy, but you go and buy some stuff at the store, some baby spinach, whatever it might be, and then 2 days later you open up the produce drawer and it's nasty. And so Pampered Chef came out with a new product line to help with this. And so it's not something that's meant to be a meal replacement. It's meant to be something that goes into the foods that you're already eating. The little tagline is "Your dishes more nutritious." And so what it is we have two different varieties. We have the kale and fiber, and we have the pea protein. And what they are freeze-dried. The first one is freeze-dried kale and chicory root, and it's actually 2 cups of freeze-dried kale and chicory root. But what did we put it in the first time we used and you didn't know it was in there?
The brownies.
Brownies. And so they get kind of suspicious of me anytime I give them anything chocolate now. So we sneak it into all sorts of things. Taco meat, anytime you're using ground beef. Yeah, So they don't even know that they're eating it, but they're getting the greens. And then the other one we use is the pea protein, and that's yellow pea protein. And what that means is that it is the most nutrient-packed, dense-packed pea protein out there. And what's really cool about that is that it breaks down longer, or it takes longer to break down than carbs do, so you stay fuller longer. And so when mommy has to work nights and we eat dinner really early so we can still eat as a family, we use the pea protein. We've put it in mac and cheese. We've put it in pancakes. And so that way the kids stay fuller longer and aren't going to be begging for snacks right before bedtime. And so the way you can get these is you can buy them as a single purchase. You can get them together for a little bit of a discount, get one of each. And you can set up a subscription as well. And that's really cool because when you do that, you actually get free shipping on the portion of your order that is the Enrichables. And that's what the product line is called, Enrichables, enriching your dishes. When you do the subscription, you can change it at any time to where you can change the frequency of it, and you can cancel it at any time. And so it's a really great thing, and you do get free shipping on that part of your order, even Alaska and Hawaii. So if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll see you later.